Now, in the Gibbs absorption isotherm, what we are going to do is, when you add surfactant to liquid, then it reduces the surface tension. Simple. Any surfactant when you add, then it reduces the surface tension. Okay. Now the adsorption of surfactant was given by Gibbs energy. Okay. It is given by Gibbs. Right. What they have given, see the equation. Surface tension is equal to C upon RT into this d gamma upon dc. मतलब small change. This d indicates small change. What is this symbol? It is a symbol of surface excess. Excess के लो concentration છે A. Okay. And excess is given by interface मतलब surface concentration and bulk concentration. Right. What is C? This C is called as, what is C? So C is concentration of surfactant in bulk. Bulk concentration. This C. Okay. R मतलब gas to constant. T मतलब absolute temperature. dV by dc मतलब change in the surface tension with change of the bulk concentration. Okay. So this is the equation of Gibbs equation in aperture, right? So upon integration of this equation, it is reduced to this type, right? C upon dc થઈ ગયું. They have used this together, C upon dc, and RT is constant. That's why they have removed outside 1 upon RT. Okay. This is differential term. And here C upon dc, right? So C upon dc they have converted to this d ln c, right? Those who are expert in mathematics, integration and differentiation, they can understand. Okay. So after this equation is reduced to like this. See here, this is ln. Ln matlab ln to the base log e. Okay. And now convert this ln into normal form. They have used this 2.303. Okay. So finally, this is in this equation. See, when you plot this graph of ln c versus surface tension, right? Then see, this is I understand. This is surface tension and this is concentration. So we have to plot the graph of these two parameters, right? This change in the surface tension with change in the concentration of surfactant. Okay. So when you increase the concentration of the surfactant, then surface tension gradually reduces. Okay. And a point will come afterwards. If you increase the concentration, then there is no more change in the surface tension, and this point is called as CMC. When this sudden change observed in the graph, सेना वर्सेस सेनो ग्राफ છે, the graph is between change in the surface tension, matlab this dV, this is called as change in surface tension with respect to change in the concentration of surfactant. So this x-axis is change in the concentration of surfactant, and here change in the concentration, change in the surface tension. Okay. So when you increase the surface concentration of the surfactant, then surface tension gradually decreases. Kya સુધી? Until it reaches to the CMC. CMC પહોંચી જાય ને પછી પાછું કેવું થઈ જશે? It becomes constant. Okay. So when you are having the practical mouse, you are having one practical from this concept to find CMC of the given surfactant. What is the practical? To find CMC. What is CMC? Bella, tell me first. What is CMC? What is CMC? What is CMC, Chukra?
Critical moisture content.
It is not critical moisture content, beta. I think you have come across this point in drying chapter, बराबर ना? Drying, yes. You are correct at your point, but actually here the CMC is your critical micelic concentration. Micelle नहीं बनावतो, micelles बनावे, right? Critical micelle concentration. એને શું કહેવાય? Micelles concentration. Critical micelle concentration, right? मतलब શું? It is the concentration at which your surfactant form micelle. Micelle मतलब શું? It forms flower like structure. What they forms? They forms flower like structure. જો તમને બતાવું કે આમાં બુકમાં હતું. Yes, see. મેં ગયું. માઇસેલી મતલબ આ તને ફોટા એવા પડે છે ને આડાવડા આડાવડા. યસ સી ધીસ ઇઝ માઇસેલી. દેખ્યું? સી ઇઝ ઇટ વિઝિબલ સ્ટ્રક્ચર્સ? ફિગર દેખાય છે ને બરાબર? હા ઓકે. सी दिस इज कॉल्ड एज माइसेली. ओके, सी टाइप्स ऑफ माइसेलीज. स्फेरिकल माइसेली मतलब આજે જે છે हेड અને टेल એ કોનું સ્ટ્રક્ચર છે? it is the structure of surfactant. This surfactant, right? When you are having water in a beaker and you add surfactant, then this and suppose water and oil છે તમારી પાસે. કોણ ગીતો ગાય છે? આ મૌસમ જે છે આ કોણ છે? મૌસમ. હુ ઇઝ મૌસમ? આ મૌસમને જરા ફોન કરો ને કે મેડમ ગીતો સાંભળે. હા તો એ તું હું બોલું તું ગીતો ગાય છે? ગીતો ગાય તું તો એમને ગીતો તો ગાતો જ તો ને. મેડમ તો બોલ્યા કરે આપણે ગીતો ગાઓ નહીં. હે તું યાર સારું કરે છે. પકડાઈ ગયો ને. હાર બંધ કરી દે. હારું બંધ કરી દે. ચલ તારું માઇક બંધ કરી દે. म्यूट कर दे. ओके, सो दिस इज माइसेली, राइट? मतलब हाइड्रोफोबिक તમે કોઈ વસ્તુ છે તમારા સોલ્યુશન ની અંદર, then this is the hydrophobic tails of the surfactant and it orient this type. Okay, and બહારની સાઈડ there is a presence of water, so this is hydrophilic head. આ બધા heads કેવા છે? they are hydrophilic, so they are oriented towards water. Okay, and water वाला part attracts the polar head. See in this is oil. This beaker contains oils, so hydrophobic tails are oriented outside, and which in the center there is hydrophilic packets. So this is the arrangement of your surfactant when you add into the water. So this is called as micelles. So you can say it micelle. Sometimes it is pronounced as a micelle formation. So these are two types of micelle. See, spherical micelles and reverse micelles. Okay, oils it forms reverse micelles. This is spherical micelles. Is it okay? Right? So initially it forms like this. See, initially when you add, when CMC matlab critical micelles concentration doesn't achieve, at that time it arrange like this. Surface par arrange thase. Okay, when the surface is completely packed, then it goes to the bulk like this. એ પછી અંદર જતા રહે આવી રીતના. ખ્યાલ આવે છે? Is it clear how it goes in the bulk and how is in the surface? Clear છે? જવાબ આપો ને એટલે ખબર પડે આગળ જવાની. ઓકે, સો એને કહેવાય મિસેલ્સ. ઓકે, સો આપણે શું એકચ્યુઅલી કરતા હતા? યસ, ધીસ કે વેન ધીસ મિસેલ્સ ફોર્મ્ડ, રાઈટ, અપ ટુ ધેટ હવે આપણે જોવું છે. વી આર નોટ, આપણે ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ વિઝિબલ બાય નેકેડ આઈઝ. વી કેન નોટ સી બાય નેકેડ આઈઝ. ઓકે, રાઈટ? સો it is not visible by naked eye. So how can I come to know कि my CMC is reached? तो મને આનાથી ખબર પડશે. Okay, कि if my surface tension goes on decreasing when I add the surfactant, and a point with minimum surfactants, a point with minimum surface tension is called as, એને શું કહેવાય? It is called as CMC. શું કહેવાય ને? It is called as CMC. Okay, so આ પોઈન્ટ નીચે આવવાનું. સો ધીસ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ એઝ CMC. એને શું કહેવાય? CMC of your solution. Okay, is it okay? Now afterwards no need to go for this all calculations. Okay, in case of yes, now adsorption at solid interface. Okay, now the concept of adsorption. Now if a solid goes into the contact with liquid, then there is accumulation of gas or liquid at the interface rather than in the bulk of the solids. Okay, so the solid interface is also there and this liquid interface is also there. Okay, now in case of liquid interface, easily you can find surface tension, right? But when there is solid interface, then it is difficult to find surface tension, right? Now the examples of solid gas interface. See, when the material is adsorbed, gas or liquid, it is called as adsorbent. Okay, and the substance that is attached to the surface of solid, એને કહેવાય adsorbate. બરાબર? એટલે આપણે શું અહીંયા હવે સ્ટડી કરશું, આખો કોન્સેપ્ટ ઓફ એડઝોર્પ્શન નો કોન્સેપ્ટ આવશે. વોટ ઇઝ એડઝોર્પ્શન? નોટ એબ, એડ, એડી. ઓકે, તો જે સબસ્ટન્સ બીજાના ઉપર ચોંટી જાય છે, રાઈટ, એને કહેવાય એડઝોર્બેટ, અને જેના ઉપર ચોંટે છે એને કહેવાય એડઝોર્બન્ટ કહેવાય. ઓકે, સો ધ એડઝોર્પ્શન વિધિન હાઈલી પોરસ સોલિડ્સ એને કહેવાય ઝોર્પ્શન કહેવાય. ઓકે, કોઈ પણ વસ્તુની હાઈલી એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન છે, પોરસ છે અને એની અંદર એડઝોર્પ્શન થાય ને તો એને કહેવાય ઝોર્પ્શન. યુ શુડ બી ક્લિયર વિથ ધીસ terminologies: adsorbent, adsorbate and absorptions. Okay, now solid gas interface ની અંદર the degree of adsorption is depend upon, સેના પર depend હોય? It is depend upon nature of gas. Solid છે એના પર gas ક્યારે adsorb થાય? તો તમારો ગેસનો નેચર કેવો છે? whether it is liquefiable easily, not liquefiable, right? That is called as nature of the gas. જે કેમિકલ નેચર કેવું છે તમારું એડઝોર્બેન્ટનું? વોટ ઇઝ ધ કેમિકલ નેચર ઓફ એડઝોર્બન્ટ? સરફેસ એરિયા કેવો છે? ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. મોર ઇઝ સરફેસ એરિયા, દેન મોર ઇઝ એડઝોર્પ્શન. ઓકે, પછી ટેમ્પરેચર કેવું છે, એનું પાર્શિયલ પ્રેશર કેવું છે. સો ઓલ ધીસ પેરામીટર્સ controls the degree of adsorption of gas on the solid surface. Okay, so in this there are two types of adsorption. ઘણીવાર પૂછાય છે છોકરાઓ, આજે છે ને adsorption પૂછાય કે what are the types of adsorptions? So it is called as physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. मतलब physisorption and chemisorptions. Physically થાય છે, then it is called as physisorptions. If it takes place chemically, then it is called as chemisorptions. Okay, now the association of, in case of physisorptions, they forms weak van der Waals forces. કેવા ફોર્સ બનાવે છે? weak force. And if it is strong chemical bond forms, then it is called as chemisorptions. Okay, now physisorption is reversible and chemisorption is irreversible. એકવાર થયું તો it will not revert. જે physically adsorption થાય છે that it can be reversible. Okay, and it is non-specific, and this chemical adsorption is more specific and it takes place at high temperature. જ્યારે physical જે છે ને it takes place at low temperature. આ ડિફરન્સ કરી દેજો બેટા, હા બધા. It is very important types of adsorption. Okay, heat of adsorption is અહીંયા low, તો અહીંયા heat of absorption is high, right? પછી અહીંયા this physical is exothermic, very important. Adsorption decrease થાય with rise in temperature, that's why it is exothermic. And here this surface reaction proceeds above certain temperature, so it might be exothermic or it might be endothermic depending upon the reaction temperature it behaves. Okay, and here in case of chemical, it is restricted to monomolecular film, right? So it is restricted to the monomolecular film, right?